ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 881st ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 3rd ಪರ್ವಂ, ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರ್ವಂ, 62nd chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaj, saying like this, O Raja, Brihadasva Maharshi narrating the story of Nala Damayanti to Dharmaraju, saying like this, O Dharmaja, Nala was unable to sleep, whereas Damayanti went into sleep. Nala started thinking about Damayanti like this. I should definitely leave her. If I don't leave, she will always be in this grief. If I leave, at least at some point she will reach her father and her kingdom, and there is a chance for her to enjoy at least. Like that, Nala repeatedly thought about it and finally decided to leave Damayanti in that forest. And also thinking like this, my Damayanti, she has such a great glow, she has such a great amount of chastity, she would never be insulted by anyone. Like that, Nala thought, and he wanted to wear something, so he wanted to cut half the saree of Damayanti, but he did not find anything to cut. Finally, he found one sword. He cut a piece of Damayanti's saree, he wore it, and he wanted to leave Damayanti in that forest and go. But again and again, he started coming back, looking at the sleeping Damayanti, innocent Damayanti, and he started crying a lot. He's thinking like this, oh my dear Damayanti, yam na vayuhu na chadityaha pura pasyati me priyam. In the past, when you were in your kingdom, when you were in my kingdom also, even Surya and Vayu did not see you. Now you are in this forest. You are sleeping on this bare ground. Like that, he again and again looking at Damayanti and crying and also thinking like this, if I go away, after she get up, she would look into her saree, half-cut saree, she will cry a lot. And how would she survive in this dense forest within this dangerous wild animals? O Damayanti, Aditya Vasavo Rudraha Asvino Samarudganau Rakshantu Tvam Mahabhage Dharme Nasi Samavruta. You are such a great righteous woman. That is why all the Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Aswini, Devatas, Marudganas will definitely protect you. Like that, Nala thinking a lot about Damayanti and trying to decide to go away from Damayanti, leave her in the forest. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.